High point during Corona.
Ooh, that's a question. Hey, oh no, she's gonna growl.
I mean,
the best moment of this pandemic, which is a very strange, weird thing to say, but it is coming up with this artistic style that makes me feel happy.
I mean, I guess the high point is kind of having to completely alter how I make things again. I have terabytes of photos that I haven't utilized, and for some reason, when I first shoot them, I'm really weird about it. Now I'm like, ooh, actually, come on back to the party.
I did a poster called Black Boy Fly, and so it was just the idea of liberation, freedom, joy, and just having fun. We were able to actually donate the proceeds from that, almost $5,000 to the NAACP Legal Defense Fund.
Cuando suceden cosas como lo del logo de Adobe Max, ahí yo vi que mi trabajo que yo vengo realizando no es algo simplemente una pasión personal mía, sino que más gente también lo aprecia.
My niece made her own masks. I helped her, and she started her own Society 6 store. She's 9.
It's jazz, you know, you just start and things start to happen and you start to bring things in from previous ideas.
Every day I did like a 4-panel comic, like how I feel today. And that really helped me to cope a bit.
オンラインでどことでもつながれるので、応援し合ったり一緒に何かすることによって乗り越えていけたらいいんじゃないかと思います。
And like the best mask of all time. Look at this mask.
My friends were saying, this is you when we're finally seeing it, and that's pretty cool.